Today I'm going to show you how to remove a grill from a Rolls Royce Silver Shadow. Basically it's the same as the Bentley, the Bentley Steez or whatever, a Corniche. And some people, they buy the Bentley grills and they make a Bentley or the other way around, so it's a good way to know. There's a couple screws on the bottom. That's one, and then this thing. Okay, number two. Then we have one here. We already got the hood out, but you don't need to take the hood out. You can do it with a wrench. That's it. She's out.